My name is Jadon Figuerido. I've been a professional drummer for over 30 years. I started my professional career, you could say, at the young age of 16. We had an opportunity to work in a few different recording studios throughout the San Francisco Bay Area. That was a neat opportunity. Not only did I get to record my drumming, but I was able to play with numerous different musicians and acts and kind of wet my feet with different genres of music. You know, for 30 years when you play an instrument, you go through different types of equipment, whether it be drum sets, drum heads, cymbals, but drumsticks, you go through those a lot. And I've tried different brands, but I finally found a brand that I feel I can get behind, and that's Collision Drumsticks, as I got here in my hand. Now these are the 5A wood tips, and what I love about these sticks is a lot of things. So first of all, the company backs artists. Whether you've been in the music industry for many years or you're just starting out, this is a company that will support you, get you started. Now let's talk about the product for a second. These are some solid wood drumsticks. They're a little bit longer. I play a 5A, and I like them a little bit longer. These are them. I play a wood tip. It's more of an organic feel on the skins and on the cymbals. I like how it feels, I like how it sounds. But the problem with wood tips are they flatten out, they round out, they'll crack on you very quickly. But Collision drumsticks, the way they're designed, the way the tip is shaped, they'll hold it. It'll keep its structure. And that's important, especially when you're going through drumsticks, especially as quick as I do. If you're interested in hearing some of my drumming, a few projects I'm pretty proud of. One of them is the Defenders of Funk. You can find that readily available on Spotify and Apple Music. And the solo album, it's self-titled, Jadon Figuerido. It's a New Orleans style type of jazz. I have a brass band that plays along with me. That too is readily available on Spotify and Apple Music. As far as live performances go, I'm in a 90s alternative cover band by the name of Saving Seattle.
It's on the telly. Something is bubbling behind my back.
I get to play with an artist by the name of Austin Najera. He's a country artist, and he allows me to play drums with him and sometimes some hand percussion. Play in an improvisational jam band by the name of the Scotch Free Band, and that's a pretty cool experience because it's just three guys. We literally go on stage. We had to do about a 3-hour set. We have no set list, and in essence, we just push the record button and let it fly, and it's a pretty cool experience. So I appreciate you checking me out. Once again, I thank Collision Drumsticks for giving me the opportunity to play such an awesome product, and hopefully you follow me in some of my music.